Hi ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect users in Singapore. Welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through how to create and send an order cancellation request as a buyer using the advanced ordering features in ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect. You'll also learn how the seller reviews and responds to the cancellation request. To begin, open the purchase register and locate the corresponding purchase order. Under the order log, select the Order Cancellation tab, then click New to create an order cancellation request. A new order cancellation window will appear. Enter the reason for the cancellation in the cancellation note field. When you're ready, click Send to submit the order cancellation request to the seller. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the order cancellation request has been sent successfully. To check the status of your request, return to the Order Cancellation tab and click Refresh Submission Status. On the seller's side, click Sync e-order status to retrieve the buyer's order cancellation request. Next, go to Sales Register and open the corresponding sales order. Under the order log, select the Order Cancellation tab. The order cancellation request will be displayed with a pending status. Click View under the Details column to review the cancellation request. After reviewing, the seller can either accept or reject the order cancellation request. To approve the cancellation, click Accept. A confirmation message will appear, informing you that the order will be cancelled and the cancellation status will be sent to the buyer. Click OK to confirm. The sales order status will then be updated to Cancelled in the Order Response tab. Once the sales order has been cancelled, it can no longer be converted into an invoice. If you attempt to convert a cancelled order, the system will display a validation message indicating that the action is not allowed. You've successfully learned how to create and send an order cancellation request as a buyer using the advanced ordering features in ABSS Accounting and Premier Connect. Thank you for watching.